A very warm welcome to MPTV News. I am Peace Wande. Here are the major headlines. NASU demands equal allowances as ASUU in FG renegotiation. Sowore spent 3 hours in court only for the judge not to appear. Abuja mass trial. Federal government vows to root out terrorism from Nigeria. Constitutional breach. Court ordered the register of ADC, Accord AA, APP, ZLP. Now the news in details. The Non-Academic Staff Union of Associated Institutes, NASU, has demanded allowance with members of the Academic Staff Union of University ASUU during ongoing renegotiation talk with the federal government. NASU General Secretary Comrade Peter Adeyemi made the union's position known while speaking to journalists on the sideline of the 114 session of the International Labour Conference in Geneva, Switzerland. Adeyemi said non-academic staff performed critical functions in universities and should enjoy the same welfare benefits as their academic counterparts. He argued that both groups face the same economic reality, including rising costs of living, transportation, housing, and other essential services. Court activities were brought to a standstill after Sowore reportedly spent 3 hours waiting for scheduled proceedings.
No. A tiny courtroom where the judge is expected to sit down. To sit today, but the judge didn't show up. And we've been sitting there for over 3 hours since 9 a.m. So we just heard from him.
But unfortunately, we waited for since 8 a.m. We've been in court, and about 12 noon, the registrar of court came forth to say the judge is not going to be sitting today. That we should. The case before the Honorable Court today is a case of the federal government versus Omoyele Sowore on cyberbullying. And as of the last hearing, we also what
The federal government on Monday said it is determined to stamp out terrorism and related activities from the country.
Total devotion to trial of terrorism cases. So I'm optimistic, and I've gotten assurances from them that they will do no further than this one, and they are speeding up, helping the process without compromising the necessary safeguards. 10 judges. So at the end of the day, we'll be able to give a record of what has transpired today. But I want you to also take note that the trial will take 4 days. That is today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday.
The Federal High Court in Abuja on Monday ordered the deregistration of African Democratic Congress (ADC). Justice Peter Lafiu, in a judgment, ordered the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to register the affected party, having failed to secure 25% of the vote in the last general election, in compliance with the provision of the law. And that is all we have for you from MPTV News. Do well to follow us on all our social media handles. Remember, security is everybody's business.